Hello everybody and welcome to today's vlog. I know there's been pretty boring vlogs lately because I've been pretty busy over the weekend painting the whole house inside of it because it used to be pink and that was like my grandmother's paint of choice many years ago. So we made it like a grayish color. Where's the other bird? One there. So it's like a grayish color. It looks really nice. But it was just too dark and too old-fashioned for. And I stopped at Walmart to get some cat food. They don't seem to have restocked their Hot Wheels. They never seem to. No place really has right now. Any cool new ones in to check out? Not yet, at least. But yeah, I don't know. I might go to the Dollar Tree just because. We'll see. I'm sure you guys are happy to be getting a vlog that's a little bit more interesting, at least. See if there's anything else I can film a little bit later on. Hopefully do some stuff today, make it a little better. I'll see you guys later. Guys, so the Dollar Tree didn't seem to have anything good either. So it's about 9:25 in the morning. I'm looking at the clock right now. And yeah, nothing good at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if we're gonna go home now, but at least we got the cat food back there at Walmart. They just really don't seem to be having any good Hot Wheels lately, but we'll see if we go restock some of the new ones soon. Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog. Just went and picked up a part for our dryer. It keeps breaking. Wait. I want to film that cool fort. Kinda. And we're going to Walmart because... Yeah. Because we're next to it.